Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Tnat Pulit penyaik kali jong ke Shillong Traffic Police kelayok lumpisa khat lai lak lai pusan hajar tengka na ke Daiñ Kuna yaki kali ki bata Ïong naduk ka shitarik unai tung arajar arpusau haduk ka henriu tarik unai lor arajar arpusau. Hau kurwa belapha da Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills District uba S Nong Tenger. Laong ba ka Daiñ Kuna yaki kali ki bata Ïong ka long kat kum ka jing pentrai kam ya ka hukum balapan mi da ka yeng bishar Supreme Court ka balamana banta plastik rong yong ya ka jing hang yit jong ki kali. USP Ulayatu ba ka jing yok lum ya ka ni pisa da ka Tnat Pulit penyaik kali ka long na ka Daiñ Kuna ya ki shi hajar news pa prapu pratali ki kali hagini ki arbnai tam. Ka Shillong Traffic Police kalakan tu ya ki try kali bakin kiar na ka bapenon kam ya ki plastik rongyong banta ha ki yet jingkang kali bat ki baladep taru ki dei ban tarno mardor. USP ulama hamru baka Daiñ Kuna ya ki try jong ki kali bata Ïong bat ya ki bapen ken ya ka Motor Vehicle Act kandang yai beteng bet man la ka sngi. Kino ki bapen ken ya ka ni ki jing bata kin ngat ha ka jing sya pen shitam kat kum ki kendon jong ka an.
It may be informed that the Honorable Supreme Court of India, via judgment on read petition NO 265 of 2011, has prohibited the use of black films of any percentage visual light transmission on the safety glasses, windscreens, front, rear, and side glasses. Therefore, in order to uphold the direction of the Apex Court, the Shillong Traffic Police has been conducting vigorously checking against the use of black flames and thus detected 1,788 cases and realized the amount of 13,35,000. This is with effect from 1st July till the 6th of September, that is today. Furthermore, the black flames of such detected vehicles were removed following the fine imposed upon them. In the light of the above, the Shillong Traffic Police would like to appeal to all the vehicles owners to refrain from using the black flames on the safety glasses, windscreens, and side glasses of their vehicles, and if so, to kindly remove the same. The drive against the use of black flames, including other MB Act violations, shall continue, and stringent actions will be taken against the violators. So our teams is working very hard every day under the leadership of our SP Traffic, his additional SP, UISP, and all his in charge of Shillong Traffic. Yes, among these 1,788, about 30 vehicles belong to ML01. So of course, among those ML05 also there's government vehicles. So we are not looking with a private or government anything that is using black plate tinted glass. We remove them all. As of now, we have been directed that see all the ministers, all the MLA are allowed to retain one vehicle use tinted glass. Not mentioning we have got the direction. The rest not. Checking is by all the 7 traffic branches, right from Molai, Limningri, Laban, Sadar, Limekra, Rancha, and Manarati. Of course, the highest always is Molai and Manarati. Those are the two maximum the county. And now, as per the direction, we are allowed to. They said they'll be allowed only one. that is they are official vehicles. So the other vehicles they are not. So we are following that as per the direction from the senior. No, like we have issued a press release a couple of times earlier, and I hope they should understood. And of course, as far as we know, it's all these tinted glasses has been fixed earlier, not a newly one. So I believe now it's not available in the shops, the black film or the new one. No, as of now we are checking on in all the vehicles. We have not done. First, let we complete all the checking in the road. Then later on we'll go to the shops also.
So for understanding better, when you said the MLAs, that means even the MDCs are involved.
No, as of now we say what we got direction is all the ministers and all the MLA are allowed to retain one vehicle use this black film or tinted. The other no.
Part of the checking also being conducted for modified silences, as we have done earlier also, that we are continuing with the process. As of now, the figure is not available, but we are doing the same also. That modified silencers or any traffic violation cases are there. It's a regular checkings that all the 7 police stations and even the outside of the police station also what we are having like Daiñ, Kaba, Daiñ, they are also conducting the checkings. And that we are detecting the vehicles, detecting the offences, and suitable actions are being taken as per MV Act. Yes, as of now they are cooperating. There is no any protest. We explain the laws. Part of the laws as passed in the direction of the Honorable Supreme Court. So we used to advise them that what is the limitations. As far as the manufactured vehicles are concerned, that also we used to inform that the vehicle comes with the fitted tinted glass and what is the percentage is required. And beyond that, if these people they are testing any kinds of the tinted glasses, we are and they're cooperating as of now. We have no complaint. See, it's yet to be operational because it is under the smart city project. So it is yet to be operational. Once it is being operated, I hope it will be operated soon, and thereafter we will let it.